You know that? Just so easy. Why is it so out of focus? Oh, hello. Got you on camera. So is it right? Am I doing this right?
Yeah, it's on.
What, do I point it to myself? Point it to you?
Okay.
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 So what, is it good now?
Just say your name or something. Like, introduce yourself.
Really?
Well, what? These are your...
Hey guys, welcome to Clicking In. My name is Maxwell Landry.
No, this isn't a show like that.
Oh, so this isn't the show? Okay, well, my name is Maxwell Landry. This is my second vlog video. I'm up here. My second vlog video.
It's so hot.
I know! Look at my AC fixed in here. Well, I'm Maxwell Landry, and now introduce yourself.
What do you mean introduce myself?
Who are you?
I am Ciara, and I am Max's girlfriend. And I don't know if I am in focus, so...
Probably not. This phone is very confusing when it comes to focusing.
So, you know the, thing?
Yeah.
Like free comic books. My friend was there and took a picture of Spider-Man.
Oh, the one on the...
Yeah, the
on
one
thing?
on the... Yeah.
It's really loud. And I do apologize for all the noise. We're driving with the windows down because my car has a broken AC. So yeah, I'm gonna put this down so people don't think I'm crazy. Filming myself, which is so out of my comfort zone. It's not even like funny. I find it so weird to have a camera on myself constantly 24/7. It's like episode of Paranormal Activity without the paranormal activity. I hope so.
Oh, that is a lovely shot.
Really?
Oh, goddamn. I will take care of that for you.
How bad was that shot?
That was like, whoa.
Oh, we're gonna go this way.
Traffic.
LA traffic.
Pain in the ass. Yeah, that's a much better shot.
How bad was it?
It was like, guys, I.
Thanks. So right over here used to be this really good hot dog place that my good friend used to work at, and they shut down like a few months after being opened.
That place right
This truck
there.
is still there. Interesting. I totally think we should go to Disneyland.
We'll go later then.
So about that Disneyland, we should totally go to Disneyland. I need to make sure my pass still works.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
I'm sure it will. She's like worse than a kid.
Shut up.
Like if I talk to her, she's like, "Shh, I'm playing my game. Shh, I'm playing my Frozen." This is her Frozen.
My Frozen.
Look at this face of like concentration. There's your face. Look at that face of
Stop.
See, she's doing it again. This is what like every time.
I'm not gonna win because you're talking.
You totally are gonna win, babe. You're
No,
a
I'm
winner.
not.
You are a winner.
I have 5 seconds left, and I have to make 30.
What about this? You're a winner in my eyes.
Okay.
Brutal.
I lost.
Oh, poor baby.
up.
Don't hurt me with the iPad. Oh no!
God.
No! Don't do it.
Let me see. Oh yeah, sexy shot.
Oh no 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 no! That is off grounds limits. Ow no! iPad.
Going on, so. But wait, what do you want to eat? Or what do you feel like?
Chick-fil-A sounds good.
But you said Chick-fil-A.
I don't know because we just had it. That's why.
When did we just have
We
it?
had it like what last weekend? This week?
Like
You went from like red to yellow.
a couple weeks ago.
That was not a couple weeks ago.
Am I still red?
No, you're good now. Wait, how was that a couple weeks ago?
It was a couple weeks ago, wasn't it?
No, I feel like it was not. I feel like it was. No, it was sooner than that. What was was happening that night?
What night?
The night we had Chick-fil-A.
Oh, we saw a movie.
We did?
The other
Oh no, we didn't see it. I was forced to see it.
What?
Yeah,
I asked him nicely if he would see the movie with us.
Here's how she asked, honey. Yes. You're seeing the other woman. Okay.
It was not like that at all.
Nah, it's fine. It's actually, you know, it's a good movie. I actually liked it. Just don't tell
No, you
anyone.
didn't. He complained. He's like, it's a crappy movie.
No, okay, there's parts
It
of it.
wasn't that great, but I
No,
mean, there
you
were
said
parts,
it was crappy.
No, I mean, certain parts were like, there were like, you would get a good laugh out of it. But like, other than that, it was like, ugh, whatever.
There was only that one good scene with Mark in the restaurant, and that was it.
Oh, when he.
Yeah, that movie was like, oh my god.
That I was dying.
Now we have to go see Spider-Man. I'm gonna drag you to go see that.
No, I don't want to see Spider-Man.
Oh, but I don't want to see the other woman, so that's how this game's gonna go.
Hey, you know what?
What?
I ran into her mirror.
What do you mean?
My arm just like knocked her mirror back.
Oh, did you break it? Okay. So I was just telling YouTube here. You hold the camera. You can swap the camera if you want. I was asking them because we're going to Disneyland right now, and I was asking the viewer, what is your fondest memory of YouTube?
Fondest memory of YouTube.
No, that's not what I meant to
Really?
say.
Fondest memory of Disneyland?
Yes. What is your fondest memory of Disneyland? Who were you with? We're getting food first. Who were you with? What was your favorite ride? Hold on.
Just the shot of your ear is amazing.
Yeah. And yeah, what was it like? So I'd love to read about it. So leave a comment below. And yeah. So here we are at Disneyland, right?
You sound so fake.
So here we are. I don't know how to say it because now you're pointing out it looks fake.
I mean, it just comes off really fake.
What? Anyways, we're at Disneyland. We got here finally. It was a long, gruesome 25-minute drive. And we're finally here. Honey.
Was it really 25 minutes?
It's about 25 to 30. It's very quick. So here's super shaky. Here's Disneyland. Slowed down version. I'm so out of breath when I just got here. A beautiful girlfriend, some people. I'm just walking through. Okay. I got this terrible thing where I always go up with the camera, so it always looks.
Is that weird?
It looks really bad. So when you were getting my shoes before we left, it took me like 3 times to get it right. It wasn't much of a vlog. It was more of a I suck at cameras. Oh, I know. Well, I'm walking. I'm trying to focus on walking. Bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Leave a comment down below if you know where a bathroom is. Just kidding. I know where they are. I like live here. There's garbage on the floor. This is what we're trying to walk through right now. It's very dangerous work. There's children and people everywhere. This is nuts. There's my shitty ass zoom. Yeah. Make it look like I'm filming everybody else.
What?
Make it look like I'm filming everybody else.
No.
But in reality, we're actually.
You know what's really magical when there's glitter all over the bathroom floor? Like it just bathroom floor is covered in glitter.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's disgusting. I would hate that. I shit on fairies.
It's a magical place.
You know, it's the happiest place on earth. Whew, this is crazy. Okay. So I know you guys can't see us, but we're on the New Thunder Mountain. Yeah. Let's do a Disneyland dance.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah. That was Disneyland dance, straight up. So we're just sitting here waiting for the fireworks. Nothing much has happened.
No.
So we're just kind of waiting to see some explosions in the sky. So yeah. Just get you in the shower. Get you.
Yeah, look at that. You're doing it again.
So romantic. What?
The view.
Disneyland fireworks. Now we're gonna go on a couple rides and go home. I'm getting really dizzy, like just watching them.
I would love to go on right now, but Max is a little pussy and he doesn't want to. I think it's so pretty.
No. Freaking nuts.